Almost exactly a week after seeing the boxcar move in Painesville, we returned to the east side of Cleveland once again. This time, it was for CSX's Family Days. Well, it was more for the CSX's Family Days excursion train, which let people a part of the Family Days to board a train and take a trip down the CSX main line. This train would be led by CSX 1976 in a theater car numbered CSX 994318. CSX 1976 is in the half-painted Conrail livery, while the passenger car is in B&O. The passenger car, named after the former CEO Prime F. Osborne III, was initially built in 1953 by the Budd Company as a 58-seat coach. This car was then rebuilt in 1993 and renamed to Georgia. Sometime in the past few years, it was repainted to its current livery and renamed to its current name. This car usually serves as the end car for the CSX OCS and can often be seen traversing the rails. Originally, the plan was for the Excursion train to only go up and down the yard lead. However, they ended up getting permission to go up and down the CSX's lakefront line, which was formerly a part of the New York Central water level route. It was also owned by Conrail, which was a neat touch considering 1976 is in the Conrail Heritage paint scheme. It was repainted into this livery sometime in mid-July of 2023. Unfortunately, the lakefront line does not see much traffic these days, being 48 and 49 Duo Lakeshore Limited. You can sometimes see a local traverse the line too. The symbols for today's train is Y150. They slowly creep up to CSX's now abandoned QD Tower, which was known as Quaker Tower during the Conrail era. This is a photo of QD Tower in its early days, during the New York Central era. The tower was abandoned in the late 90s, and it sure looked like it, because the basement had at least 2 feet of standing water in it. Anyways, after a misaligned switch was thrown, the Excursion took off towards the Amtrak station in downtown Cleveland. After leaving Collinwood, we chased him down to East 49th Street, but somehow we missed him. They had already gone west of us. They must have opened up the throttle when they took off, and even though the timetable for this line says that the track is good for 60 miles an hour, I doubt that it was going that fast. While we waited for the train to come back east, we ended up seeing a few interested bystanders, including this decked out Mini Cooper in the Ghostbusters themed car. They ended up having signal issues and had to end up getting talked by CP181. Here is the audio recording, courtesy of my Broadcastify feed, which you should check out.
Cleveland, East San Antonio. UI-150, 12, 1976, like a signal at 181, take headroom, and then a signal right back, over. Alright, watch for your light, west, and then back east there at 181. Okay, back, thank you. Rollins, switch up. Cleveland East, over. CY-150, 1976, ready for that light at 181. Alright, I got my request in. It looks like CSX still has one westbound signal requested or something. They'll have to match my request there. Oh, okay. I'll let them know know, because yeah, he said he was gonna be ready for us. I'll let him know to take his request out.
Yeah, it looks like he's running towards me there at 181, so we'll have to fix that, or I'll have to tuck you by if we can't get the signal.
Go talk to him.
All right.
CSX IG, it's turnover.
IG, Josh, Cleveland East NS says he can't give us the light because it's requested to come down west. You have to take your request down, he says.
I don't have a request. The lakefront's still shunted. I'll call him. I just have you requested 175 back into the leads.
Cleveland East, over.
Hey, 150, did our dispatcher get a hold of you yet?
Yeah, it looks like I'll have to talk you by if you're still all red there. What's your, you said your leader is the CSX 1976, over?
Correct.
Alright, Y150, the CSX 1976, you have permission by the stop signal. Take the 181 from the Amtrak connection to the CSX main east direction.
Suzuki Y150, 12, 1976, stopping at 5181 has pushed by the stop indication, 5181 from the Amtrak direction, over.
Shortly after the problem was resolved, the ditch lights on the passenger car came into view. This would be the only run on the Lakeshore line, as a track circuit would put this line out of service for the rest of the day. They detoured onto the short line sub, however. Thank you guys for watching, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.